choices, including those about diet, do not stem from reason or knowledge, but rather from learning and training received from an early age. This is like a bakery clerk unconsciously acquiring the smell of cake, or how we naturally learn to speak our mother tongue. Our surroundings, parents, society, and culture constantly influence our perceptions, forming deep-seated views, also known as habits. These ingrained views dictate our choices. Even with food that we know is harmful, we struggle to break free due to habit, and may even find it enjoyable, as this feeling is the result of years of conditioning. Many nutritionists and experts, despite having correct knowledge, may also find it difficult to shake off the habits instilled in childhood. Therefore, the focus of this film is not merely to discuss diet, but to use diet as an entry point to expose the harm of incorrect views and how they lead us to unconsciously make self-destructive and self-harming choices. Our goal is to consciously reverse the faulty learning and training of the past few decades, using the correct views provided by science, and thereby make choices that are truly beneficial for our mind and body. Starting now, we will guide everyone to learn this step by step.
Diet and Health Day, everyone. Welcome to this podcast episode brought to you by VitaChoice, Ltd. Today, I want to take you into a special theater, your dining table. On this stage, there's a Ripper show happening every single day, called From Plate to Brain. Every actor is a real nutrient, and their performance directly determines our brain health, emotional stability, and memory clarity. Here's the thing, you're not just the audience here, the director, choosing which actors get on stage. The latest research shows that about 60% of strokes, 40% of dementias, and 35% of late-life depression cases are linked to modifiable lifestyle factors. And diet is the factor we have the most control over. Ready? Curtains going up. Act 1. The Justice League Superheroes. Protecting your brain. 1. The leading man. Omega-3 fatty acids, architect of the nervous system. I'm omega-3, specifically EPA and DHA. I make up about 60% of your brain gray matter fat. I am a powerful inflammation firefighter, a depression fighter, and a memory shield, helping to slow Alzheimer's progression. Best use: eat oily fish like salmon, sardines, or mackerel 2 to 3 times weekly. Take me with vitamin E to prevent oxidation. Avoid high-temperature frying, as I'll be destroyed. 2. The leading lady, polyphenols, the antioxidant queen. We are the polyphenol family, the good stuff in berries, turmeric, and green tea. We are free radical hunters. We guard the blood-brain barrier, and we enhance cognition. Best use: follow the rainbow principle. Eat different colored fruits and veggies daily. Synergy tip: have turmeric, curcumin, with black pepper and fat. This trick increases absorption, an incredible 20-fold. 3. The Gut Gardener. Dietary fiber gut-brain axis bridge builder. I'm the favorite food of your beneficial gut bacteria and a key messenger in the gut-brain dialogue. I'm a probiotic ranch owner and a blood sugar buffer that helps control weight. Actionable tip: aim for 25 to 35 grams daily. Get me from soluble fiber oats, legumes, and insoluble fiber wholemeal nuts. 4. Special guest: probiotics gut ambassadors. We are the microbial army living in your gut. We produce important neurotransmitters, and get this, 90% of your mood's serotonin is made by us. We send signals to your brain via the vagus nerve messenger. Actionable tip: eat daily fermented foods like unsweetened yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, or kimchi. You must rebuild us after taking antibiotics. Act 2. The Villain League. Your brain's hidden killers. 1. The big bad, saturated and trans fats, inflammation makers. We trigger systemic inflammation and promote neurodegenerative changes. We seriously accelerate amyloid beta accumulation, a major Alzheimer's marker. and we damage vascular endothelium, which reduces cerebral blood flow. Our main hideouts: fried foods, fast food, processed meats, and pastries. How to fight us: use olive oil or avocado oil instead of butter. Limit intake. Saturated fats should be 10% of total calories. 2. The second villain: refined sugar and simple carbs. The blood sugar roller coaster. We send your blood sugar on a wild roller coaster. Right, a short-lived pleasure, followed by long-lasting inflammation and damage. We cause a rapid blood sugar spike that leads to insulin resistance. We damage proteins and DNA by forming advanced glycation end products, and we directly damage the hippocampus, your memory center. Our main hideouts: soft drinks, juices, white bread, white rice, and sugary cereals. How to fight us: choose complex carbs like whole grains and sweet potato. Limit added sugars to 5%, -10% of total calories. 3. The third villain: ultra-processed foods, UPFs, the chemical additive army. We are industrially transformed, contain 5 or more chemical additives, and have virtually no natural nutrition. We load you up with the deadly combo of fat, sugar, and salt. Our consequence is that we wreck the gut microbiome and significantly increase systemic inflammation. Our main hideouts: instant noodles, frozen pizza, processed meats, sausages, and packaged snacks. How to fight us: stick to the 80-20 rule. 80% natural whole foods. Cook from scratch to control ingredients. Act 3. The Director's Handbook: creating the best. Script your brain's golden hour's breakfast. Starting your golden hour: start with an omega-3 starter like salmon avocado toast, or an antioxidant energy pack like Greek yogurt, blueberries, walnuts. Avoid the villain scripts like sugary cereal or white bread plus jam. Dinner: golden repair window. Aim for an anti-inflammatory set like grilled salmon, steamed broccoli, sweet potato. Director's ultimate secrets: 1. Actor diversity. Aim for at least 30 different foods weekly. 2. Timing management. Take omega-3 with meals, improves absorption. Take probiotics on an empty stomach or before bed. 3. Synergistic effects. Use classic combos like turmeric, black pepper, fat. 4. Efficiency. Steam or boil rather than fry to retain nutrients and reduce harmful compounds. Frozen berries are as nutritious as fresh. 5. Personalization. Listen to your body and get regular testing for things like vitamin D and B12. Dear friends, this drama from plate to brain plays out every day, and you're the only director. The heroes omega-3, polyphenols, etc. are ready to fight for your brain. The villains: saturated fats, refined sugars, UPFs are highly tempting, but their destructive power is alarming. The director's wisdom lies in 1. Casting wisdom. Give heroes more stage time. Villains: less screen time. 2. Script design. Use bang for buck combinations. 3. Long-term planning. Establish sustainable healthy eating habits. Be a brilliant director and protect your brain. We'll see you next time.